Tony Mills here, and I've been posting a whole bunch of knife videos. Well, that are paper, and they're OTF knives, and I decided to make a cardboard butterfly knife, and it's pretty sick. Here's some action. I'm just doing that on purpose. I'm trying to make it slower looking for them. So yeah, basically that's it. If I get a certain amount of views and comments stating that they want a tutorial for this, I will do a tutorial. It is different from the other butterfly knives. It curves more and it goes straighter. So I will do a tutorial if I get a certain amount of likes and comments stating that they want a tutorial. Thanks for watching. Always subscribe. It's right about, oh gosh, I'd say up here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.